In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new calendar on Acuity scheduling. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to ensure you know exactly how to set up your calendar effectively. First, you'll need to head over to Acuity scheduling. Simply navigate to your browser and enter the URL for Acuity, which will bring you to the dashboard. Once you're here, keep an eye on the navigation panel. You'll find an option labeled Availability. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all the details for your calendar based on your scheduling needs. Next, once you're in the Availability section, look for an option that says Add New Calendar. Clicking this will allow you to create a separate calendar within your Acuity account, perfect for organizing different types of appointments or setting up schedules for different team members. Now it's time to name your calendar. You'll see a space where you can type in a name for your new calendar that best describes its purpose. For example, if it's meant for one-on-one consultations, you might name it Consultations Calendar. This will help in quick identification among possibly many other calendars you have. If you wish, you can add a description for this calendar as well. This is useful for providing further details regarding the type of appointments that can be scheduled on this calendar, making it clearer for anyone else using it. You also have the option to add a location, especially important if the appointments tied to this calendar are to be held in a physical setting. Simply type in the location details, ensuring clarity for clients booking appointments. Moreover, you can input an email address associated with this calendar. This is key to ensure any notifications about appointments are sent to the right place, helping in the smooth management of upcoming events. After you have entered all the necessary details like the name, description, location, and email, it's time to save your work by clicking the Save button. This saves the calendar with all the input information, ensuring everything is in order so far. Once saved, it's crucial to align your calendar settings according to the appropriate appointment type. You can select from a variety of options depending on what suits the purpose of this calendar. Don't forget to save your appointment types once chosen. Next, you should select the desired hours of operation for this calendar. Choose your availability that customers will be able to book appointments. After setting your hours, be sure to click Save Regular Hours to finalize them. In addition, for more fine-tuned scheduling, you can select specific dates and times that you want to set hours for. After adjusting, make sure to click Set Hours to commit these settings into the calendar. Finally, to wrap things up, you can click Close to return to the main page, having successfully set up your new calendar on Acuity scheduling. By following these steps, you ensure that your scheduling process will be efficient and well organized.